Yeah, so one of the best times to trade is after NFP. After NFP markets, direction is clear, and then there is less manipulation, and then there is just good trading opportunities. So we want to catch up with after the NFP markets, and let's start with gold. So gold was still bearish on gold. Like if you watch our previous video, you realize that we're still bearish on gold. So the reason why we're still bearish on gold, this is at gold all time. And then this is our price difference that we're still trading from. And this is the other secondary price difference and where market is stuck. And this is the low that we would expect gold to come into if it doesn't come to this high. So the reason why we're still bearish on gold, this is it. If gold breaks this and then gives us a continuation pattern, then we can trade gold all the way up to down here. But of course, if it doesn't happen and then breaks up and continues, then we would have no entry on gold. So gold after NFP, this is the move we want, and this is the move we will follow through in the group. And then going on to the next pair after NFP, let me just switch to GBP card. These ones, I already broke them down in the previous video. You just need to go to our YouTube and then watch it. So looking at pound GBP card from, again, the 4-hourly. So we had this as an all-time resistance area. So this resistance area here, that is where we wanted to trade first, but you see what has happened, market has broken above. So now the next place we can actually trade is if we can have a break of this low. If market can hold this and then breaks below this, then we can actually, and then we get a continuation pattern, then we can do that, we can trade that. Otherwise, we just watch it and let it play out if it continues to go up. So that's the second market. And then finally, the next market is the GBP AUD. That is also another market we've been looking out. So this is the resistance we wanted to trade from, but then now market has gone up highs, and now we have another possible area where the market is failing to break, and therefore these are the low here that is still holding price. So how and when do we get to trade this? We can only trade this if the market comes to break this, give us a continuation pattern, then we can trade that. So that is what we shall be looking for throughout the week. And then going on to another pair that is also looking good is GBP NZD. Remember, this is the after NFP market and the directions is always clear. So GBP NZD, this was also an all-time highs, and we were looking at the market from there, and then we have a high here that the market may not break. So if the market doesn't break that high and then comes to break this low here, so if this happens, then we get a confirmation pattern to the downside, then we can trade that to the downside. But if it continues to go up, then we cannot trade that. And then finally, going on to another pair, which is Euro AUD. I think Euro AUD is clear. Anyway, these are some of the pairs that we will be following through and then trading them. And of course, if they're ready, like always, I will send them into the groups here. And then we can actually begin to have our entries together with you guys. Remember, we're trading this together. So this is what we have for you. Let's see how they will play out. Join us, and then we can trade them live